so I didn't do an unboxing video because there's plenty of them out there. I took the body panels off just to chew them or do the potex thing, you know. But yeah, it looked great without the body. Real strong, it takes a lot of damage. Held up very good. The only thing that happened, I killed my bearing over here and the drive shaft popped out, so that's not such a biggie. I haven't opened it yet, only disconnected the batteries. It's a very tough truck. This is all the dirt that got in there. I made some things here, I don't know how you're gonna call it, just to keep the dirt out when the wheels are turning. It held up pretty good. The only thing that's the problem is, and I have it done with my Outcast 6S2, I have to do a zip tie around this thing because this thing comes out. So drill a hole here and do a zip tie around there. Like that. So now it stays in place. Nice. This thing sucks. It's already blown a fan. You saw my driving. It wasn't that big. It wasn't that big jumps. You see, the fan is already busted. It doesn't turn. There's a blade gone. So Arrma, this sucks, man. Drives real good. It jumps nice. It had some hard landings on the top here, but I like it this way. I also like it with the body on, mounted and everything, but I like it this way. It's something different. Okay, so we're going to fix that, and then we're off for another bash. So Thanks for watching. See you later. Subscribe, like, share, do everything you have to do, and bye.